Hello everyone. Hi, this is Teacher Shane. How are you guys doing? How's everyone? I hope everyone's doing great. I am happy today because I get to read you guys a story. Don't you feel happy? Yeah. So Teacher Shane is going to read a fun, exciting book that you are going to like. Yeah. But first, do you guys want to sing a song with me? Oh, I want to sing ABCs for you guys. Do you know ABCs? Okay, so let's sing it together. Okay, here we go. Clap your hands. Here we go. One, two, three. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, that was a great song, right? Oh, I know you guys will like the song because Teacher Shane used to sing that song when I was very little. So let's look at the story. You guys are going to like it indeed. I like this story because I read it a lot of times. So let's look at it right now. Okay, so this is the story. Yeah, look at this. Isn't this cool? Yes, it is. There's a bear. Oh, there's a little mistake. There's a bear. And there's a boy. Yeah. So the story is about a boy and his bear. But this bear is a teddy bear. Yeah. And the teddy bear, well, it will come to life. Yeah. So look at the bear. The bear looks cute, right? And the bear is wet. Wet. And the boy is laughing like, yeah, he's laughing. So the story is called Do Not Wash This Bear. Yeah. Let's say it again. One more time. Do not wash this bear. Yeah. So why you should not wash this bear? What will happen? Let's look at the story and we will find out, right? Here we go. So, whoa, look at the boy. Oh, the boy played with his bear. It's teddy bear. Look, they play with mud. They ate food. Played in the bushes. And look, they paint pictures together. Yeah. And played in the water. And even climbed a tree. Wow, that's amazing. A little boy playing with his teddy bear. But his bear, it's not alive. I wonder why. Yes. Okay, so this is the story. Ooh, what is this? What is happening here? Look, I think this is his father. And look, this is the boy right here. Yeah. And they are, well, washing clothes outside. So let's read the story. My dad is not very good at doing the washing. He makes my t-shirts itchy. Oh, that's not good. He turns my vests pink. Oh, everything turns to pink. Well, some of it. And he disappears my socks. Oh, his socks is all messy. The clothes is turned to pink. Oh, but the father, he tries his best to wash his clothes and the little boy's clothes too. Yeah. So let's continue the story. Okay. Oh, look, the father's like, P.U. Oh my goodness. The bear is stinky and smelly and very dirty. But the boy's like, oh, no, Daddy, don't do that to my bear. No, 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 no. Oh, and look, there is a little note. Do not wash this bear. Oh, why you should never wash a bear. I wonder why. So when he wanted to wash bear, I cried, no! But Dad didn't listen. Bear smells, he said. Bear is muddy and grubby and needs a clean. The bear is very dirty, right? Oh, the bear needs a good wash. Wait, I said, and I showed Daddy the label under bear's bottom. Yeah, look at the label. The label, one more time. Let's say it together. Do not wash this bear. Yeah, you cannot wash the bear. But what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Let's find out. All right. So let's look. Oh, the bear is in a washing machine. Round and round. Soapy and sloppy. Oh, foamy and forty. Yeah. But Daddy still didn't listen. He popped the bear in the washing machine. Bear whizzed and whirled. Then Daddy opened the door. Oh no! Washing bear was a big mistake. Uh-oh. What happened to the bear? It was like, huh? What happened? What happened to the bear? Oh, let's find out what happened to the bear. Okay. Oh, look. The bear is winking. Like, And the boy's like, oh my God, the bear is alive. Oh. Bear was different. He waved at me. Hi. He winked at me. He blew a raspberry. Oh, the bear is alive. Will the bear eat them? Rawr. Oh, I have never seen a teddy bear come to life before. Okay, let's find out what happens. The bear is running. I'm gone. Da, 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 da. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look, Daddy, I yelled, but Daddy was too busy looking for lost socks to see what Bear was up to. The bears go, wah! Suddenly, Bear jumped out of the wash basket and ran up the stairs. Stop, I said, but Bear didn't listen. The bear is gone. Where is the bear going to? Oh, let's find out. Uh-oh. The bear is making a mess in the bathroom. What is he doing? Look, bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. The boy, stop, stop, stop. Too much bubbles. He bounced into the bathroom and started making bubbles. Big bubbles. Stop, I shout. But Bear didn't listen. Uh-oh, lots of bubbles everywhere in the bathroom. That is too much soap. Too much soap. Oh, look what he's doing now with the pillow. He's jumping. Boingy, 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 boingy. The boy. Yeah, he ran into my bedroom and made it snow. Too much snow. It's not really snow. It's feathers. Stop. Achoo. I sneeze. But Bear didn't listen. Ooh, the bear is very naughty. He's jumping up and down, making lots of mess. Yeah, and look, the boy, he has lots of cool toys. He got a robot, a car, a little tractor. I think there's a tractor. Lots of blocks. Wow. Okay, what else is going to happen with the bear? Okay, the father is going upstairs. Bear rollies pulled down the hall, jumped on the cat, and took off down the stairs. Stop that bear, I hollered. The bear's going down the stairs. But look, crash, bang. The bear ran into the clothes, into the father. Everyone's falling down. But Daddy had so much washing, he couldn't see what Bear was up to. Crash! What a mess. Clothes everywhere. Look, underwear, shorts, lots of socks. I think this is a towel. Everywhere. Clothes. Oh, it's so dirty and messy on the floor. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look, who's this? Oh, this must be the boy's mommy. Yeah. And the bear is looking at the boy's mommy. Just then, the front door opened. Bang! Mom, I cried. Mommy, look at Bear. Then she looked at Daddy and shook her head. You should have read the label, she said. Do not wash this bear. Let's say it together. Do not wash this bear. The bear came to life. You should not wash the bear in water. No, no, no. Okay. So now what happened to the bear? Oh, look at the bear. He is on the line drying. Mommy grabbed Bear by the ears and carried him kicking and grumbling out to the garden and pegged him on the line to dry. So the bear was like, I don't want to be dried. But everyone is happy. Yeah. Now the bear is going to be dried. But what is going to happen to the bear? Let's find out. What else is going to happen? Uh-oh, going a little too fast. Okay. Very soon, Bear was back to his old self again. Daddy said Bear smelled better now. Bear smells good. But then he picked up Rabbit. P.U., Daddy said. Rabbit needs a wash. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Is the rabbit going to come to life too? No! I shout as I point to the label. What did the label say, guys? Do you know? Let's find out. Oh, let's read it together. Do not wash this. Is it a bear? No. Rabbit. Do not wash this rabbit. Oh, the place is going to get very messy. Okay. Well, that's the rabbit right there. The rabbit is alive and it sucks every sucks. Wow, great story, guys. Awesome. Yes. This was a great story. Did you guys like it? I like it. It is great. Wow. All right, guys, this is Teacher Shane, and I had a great time reading you this book. Yes. Did you have a great time? Yes, I did. I hope you guys had a great time too. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time. Okay, guys, this was a great story, right? Did you enjoy your time? Oh, I bet you guys did. Thank you guys so much for looking at my storytelling. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.